Alright, so in this tutorial we're going to create a daily update of our Instagram profile. So to do this you need a business Instagram account and a Facebook developer account. And what the outcome will be is literally a table, as you see here, in which we automatically add each day at the same time an overview of how many comments, likes, posts, follows and followers you have, as well as a custom function for engagement. So you can nicely plot that within your data infrastructure. So we do this with the official API documentation, so we're not literally scraping Instagram user interfaces, we're doing it the official route. So the first thing we want to do is make a copy of this file. You can do that in the top left. And after that we want to go inside the Facebook documentation to get our access token. Okay, so to get an access token you go to developers, Facebook, and then go into the Graph API Explorer. So in the top, in the menu bar, so the nav bar, you can find either tools or you have to drop down and then click Graph API Explorer. You get to a page like this, and then it says, okay, access token, apps. If you don't have an app, please create one. So you'll need an app, and then you can select a user token. In our case, we want to create a page token. So page access token, let's see. No, we'll just go with an app token. Yes, generate access. You've briefly linked ZebraFarm to, okay, that's fine. And then we want to make sure we have permissions for Instagram. So Instagram basic, manage comments, manage insights, generate token. So that was already done. So you can click this and then copy the token, copy it inside your file. So copy it in there. Cool. And then you can run the first script. So what this does is it will delete everything that's in here and replace it with the accounts that you actually have access to. So these will be showcasing the profile IDs. First thing, you'll have to actually give the sheet authorization to, or actually you have to give the script authorization to edit the sheet. So that's how it works. So here, see, give permission to edit. This is the name of the script. So we allow that. Okay, so now we're authenticated, so we can run it again. Okay, so this got updated, and then I want to use it for my own business profile. So it's a personal profile, but I've said that it is like a business profile in the settings. That's the only meaning for business profile, really. So that's the 2.1. So that's this one, yes. And then I want to run this script to add a row. So let's see if that works. Okay, so that works quite nicely. So it will add a row every time you run or hit this button. But what we don't want to do is log in here and have somebody or yourself clicking this button every single day again. Even though it already is much quicker than actually typing it one by one, we want to automate it. So the way to automate it is actually very simple. Once you have this access token installed, the only thing you have to do is go into Tools and Editor. And then you can manipulate the script here. So if you, I have put some explaining lines everywhere, so hope it's understandable. But if you're not a developer, don't worry. The only thing you'll have to do is go in here, click this little stopwatch icon. So this opens up the trigger screen of Google Apps Script. And the script that you want is get media stats from business account. Okay. Is that I'm just double checking. Is that the right one? Yes, it's this one. Function get media stats from business account, and this imports these variables. Now what we want to do is do it every day. So don't, yes, time driven every hour, no, every day. Depending on where you are, you might want to do it in the morning or in the evening. I prefer to just do it 1 AM to 2 AM. Okay, and then save it. let's save it. Yes. Okay, so it's in here. You can see if there's any errors, and you will get a daily update, or if you change the setting, a weekly or instant update. In my case, I'm not going to use this particular sheet, so I'll delete this. But for you, that was all you have to do. So what will happen now is that instead of somebody clicking this button, this sheet will automatically run and update this. One more thing, the engagement is not an Instagram metric, it's a metric I came up with myself. This is a simple function here at the bottom. Engagement equals comments plus likes divided by followers. That's all. So you can either use it as this or like customize as well. Just make sure that if you delete rows or delete buttons, it might affect the script. So have a look into where data is imported. You can usually find that by the get value. So this will be row 2, column 2. Here as well, here as well. So make sure you don't move cells around that are used in the script without editing the script. All right, good luck, and let me know in the comments whether this is helpful, or ask us a question. And if you really like this, just share it on Twitter and tag Zebra Farm in there. That'd be amazing. So thanks a lot.